Hello Good Maid Squad and welcome back to my channel. So it has been a while since I have been on here. Actually, I have some tutorials recorded that I need to edit and upload. So there are other videos headed your way. But today we are going to do a wig update because I have not done a unit update in a while. And I have posted a few units. So I'm like, okay, I need to get back to updating. So the first one is going to be on this unit right here. This is, I believe, what I'm going to call this series is like a Zury update because there's two different Zury units I'm going to review on here, so you get a 2-for-1. Okay, so this one is, I believe it's Ivy. If I am incorrect, I will put it down in the description box, but I do really believe this is Ivy. So this is Zury Sis Ivy in the color Latte Blonde. Both of them are in Latte Blonde, just to let you know. They're both blonde units. So Latte Blonde, it's like a mixture of cool and warm tones. So the Latte Blonde does have like the pale, what am I trying to say? They have the pale blonde. How can I not think of that? I just want to say blonde. Anywho, it has a pale blonde in it, but it also has kind of a little bit of golden blonde mixed through there. And then it also, I believe, has like an ash blonde, also kind of a medium ash blonde through there. So anyway, just to kind of give you an idea of the color, you should be able to see it on camera, but just in case it's not pulling off, that is what it is. So Ivy. If you want to see the original unboxing of Ivy, I do have her posted, and I'll put that, and be sure to include that in the description box. I don't really have any cons with Ivy. It's like some days I like her and some days I don't. And it's not like she's doing anything wrong. I just don't know what it is. I don't know what it is about her. I do have her pinned back just to do like a different look with her. But without the pins, just so you can see, this is her all the way. So she's not a bad unit. I haven't really worn her that much, maybe 5 times. So I don't know. So the update on her is, you know, what I'm trying to say. I haven't worn her back to back, but I've had her for at least almost 2 months, if not longer, and I've only worn her 5 times. So I mean, she still looks good, even though I haven't worn her that much. There isn't any tangling in the nape area, even though I've worn her 5 times, so that's a plus. Sometimes you get some units and you can wear them 1 time, and at the end of the day, you're like, no. Ivy doesn't do that. So, yeah, there really aren't any cons with her. I do like the waves on her. Maybe it's the length. Oh. Were y'all going to tell me I had lipstick on my teeth, though? Were y'all going to be true? Were y'all going to be real and let me know? But anyway, maybe it's the length on her, because I do like the curl pattern, the wavy beach kind of vibes. You know, it's kind of like what the hair Beyonce kind of wore on her Drunken Love video. So I do like it. Maybe if it was longer. Maybe I'll like Ivy if she's longer, or maybe in a different color, because she does come in other colors. So maybe that would be it. I just really have no idea. So I'm just going to move on from her. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm trying to think. I haven't been using the Got To Be glue with her. I do just use the combs, and I don't think I use bobby pins for her. So I think I just use the combs, and she pretty much stays in place on any pulling or tugging with the combs. Yeah, she's pretty much big head friendly if you glue her down. You can still see my baby hairs, but she comes like that on me. I think I already said that in my original video, but just to go over it again. And she's still soft. She's like a she's a medium yaki feel to her. She's not shiny. She has a natural luster to her. So I mean, overall, she's a good unit. I just don't know. I don't know. Maybe because it's a middle part. Maybe I would like her better as a side part. I really don't know. I don't know. I really don't have a reason, really, why I don't like her. Just something about her. I don't know. But all right, let me So that's like her if you do like the flip over method. So she's really cute and really sassy. I mean, she's really fun. So let's go on to the next unit. Okay, so the next unit I have for you is going to be Miss Roma here. Again, this is Zury Sis, and she's in the Latte Blonde color. And I did review already initial unboxing on her, so I will also include that link down below so you can check that out. There's really not much to say on either of these two units. I mean, you just cut the lace off of her. She does have a 4x4 parting, so you can play around with how you want to wear her. She still has that weird humpage thing going on, and I was always running late to work, so I never had the time to use a flat iron to flatten her out. So I just kept that humpage, but and I don't know if it's just with this unit or how it lays on my head, but if you do get her, you will need to do something to kind of bring that down. But anyway, I still wore her and went about my business, so it wasn't like horrible. Let's see, lost my train of thought. But what about Roma? There's really, like I said, there's really not much to say about her. She hasn't tangled. I mean, she's a short unit. I haven't worn her that much. I mean, she has like a little snags here and there, but nothing like tangling. I haven't worn her that much. Again, there's nothing wrong with these units. It's just they're not giving me oomph. I don't know what it is. I don't know what to say. These are hopefully this comes out as a quick update. I'm not trying to take y'all's time, but yeah, I don't know. There's nothing wrong with her. I just don't wear her all the time. Again, maybe it's the length. She's cute to just wear for me one day. Like if I just want something really, really different. But and I thought I'd be okay with the length, but I'm not. Not that it's bad, just I'm just not into short hair like I used to be. And I love short hair on other people. Like I think short hair looks really nice on other people. And it looks nice on me too. I just I don't know, I just prefer a little bit longer units. Like if she was like a bob to my shoulders, she would be perfect though. Like I would wear her more if she was longer. I think because she just kind of frames my face like right there. I think that's why I don't wear her as much. But she really is like she is a really nice unit. Like it's still soft. I think I bought her, yeah, there's a little bit of snags. I think I wore her more than I've worn Ivy, and also I didn't really take care of her. I just kind of threw her down, so that too could be why she has a little more snags. But again, I've worn her more than I have Ivy. She does have a really soft lace, so like she does flap up and down if you play with her during the day. So if you don't like that and you don't want people to know you have a unit on, then you might want to use the Got to Be Glued method, or whichever method you prefer to make sure she stays down. But she does blend really nicely into the hairline, so even without glue. Sorry, I don't have a light, so you might not be able to see that. Okay, so that's going to be it for Miss Roma here. If you have any questions that I did not answer, just leave them down below and I will get back to you. I do have, like I said, a new unit that I'm going to upload the reviews on that one. And then I have a couple makeup tutorials headed your way. If there's a unit that you've seen me initially review and you want to update on, let me know, because I don't think I've updated every unit that I have unboxed. But I do want to do that in case anyone has questions and maybe hesitations about purchasing a unit, and so maybe I can help you make that decision with my reviews and the updates. So again, just leave that down below. If there are any new units you'd like me to review, let me know. Just let me know. Because there's been a few that have been released, but not too many are just catching my eye. Not too many are just like, oh, I gotta have her. Like I need to order her right now and get her. So nothing's really inspiring me to purchase, but I will purchase something if there's like a unit that a few of you want to see and it's more than one person, I'll go ahead and get it. I do want to get more red units, so I'm trying to move away from the blondes. So we'll see how that goes. I have one intention and then I start to go for it and then it turns into something else. So my intention is to find more red units that can wear to work, so I can't really do the fiery red tones or anything like that. Because I don't want to keep purchasing units I can't wear to work, because then they're just sitting there and that's not fun. Alright, well, you know what I'm going to say. So, subscribe to my channel. Especially if you see more than one video, just go ahead and subscribe. Just hit that button, subscribe, and then next to it, hit the notification button so you know when a new video is headed your way. And, yeah. Oh, I hope everybody had a wonderful Mother's Day. And again, like I always say, please don't forget to tell yourself that you're awesome, that you love yourself. Self-care is just, in this society and these times, self-care is so important. So just make sure you're taking time out for yourself, whether it's just to breathe, to just relax, to just distance yourself from life for a little bit. Meaning, like, if you need to go to a room with the lights off for a little bit, you know, like, just take whatever time you need for yourself to regroup, to breathe, and to get yourself back on track. Because we need that sometimes. We need that breather. So allow yourself to take care of yourself. Okay, it is okay to take time away from yourself. Now, if you're doing it too much, that's when it becomes a problem. But you have to do it, because I know some people, they just don't. They don't take time for themselves at all. And so you really have, your body needs time to heal itself. Your spirit needs time to just readjust and rejuvenate. So give yourself, allow yourself that time to do that. So, all right. I will see y'all next time. Bye.